Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add review in AliExpress. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On the browser, navigate to AliExpress website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now you need to go to your account section. So in this home page, you can see the account icon at the top right. Tap on it. Once you're in the accounts page, here in the My Order section, you can see two review options. Tap on it. Here you will see the list of products that you have purchased. You can choose from the products that you want to write a review on. So once you select the product, you can see a write a review button over here. So tap on it. Now it will prompt you to the review page. Here you can give the ratings to the product. In the comment section, you can write reviews according to your experience. If you found any defect or like something about it, you can add pictures about it too. You can give the ratings for how easy was the transaction process. Also here you can give ratings on how quickly the seller shipped the item. And here you can choose if you want to reveal your identity or stay anonymous to add this review. And after you review all the things, you can tap on submit feedback. And your review will be posted on the products page. That's it. That's how you can add reviews on AliExpress. It's a very simple process, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.